Direct News TV. Thousands of customers remain without power in Ontario following windstorm. More than 6,000 customers remain without power in Ontario today after strong winds hit the southern and eastern parts of the province on Saturday. Hydro One says 6,365 customers are without power as of 12:50 p.m. The utility says there are more than 180 active outages and utility crews are working to restore power to customers. The outages stretch from just outside Ottawa to Pembroke, Parry Sound and Kingston and are scattered across the Greater Toronto and Hamilton area to parts of Niagara and westward to just outside Windsor. Environment Canada issued wind warnings on Saturday for areas including Kingston, Prince Edward County, Niagara Region, Hamilton, London, Middlesex, Chatham-Kent and Windsor. The agency said affected areas would experience strong southwesterly winds gusting up to 90 or 100 km per hour beginning Saturday evening. My name is Kingsley. Please like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to be notified whenever we post. You won't regret it.